And whereabouts are you headed to today?
Slieve Donard.
Slieve Donard. Excellent.
That's Slieve Donard, and as you can see, it's quite jagged at the top. And the reason for that is because it's called the Devil's Tooth.
See, we can do a walk from
and as you can see in the far distance with the little building on the top of the Slieve Donard, and that's where we're going now, so we have to go all over these mountains here. We'll take our And now we're looking up towards Slieve Donard. Commodus, the next one.
No. Commodus, the high one. Donard's beyond it.
Oh, sorry. Commodus is the high one, and Slieve Donard is beyond that. Sorry about that. And you can actually see people up on the top over there. And Neven.
I had this whiz kid idea that you can take a money, go around all the hotels and throw leaflets in, you know, for the tourists. Or just write a bit of kit and a pass your first aid and all. Funny you say that. I was talking to a bus driver last night at the ice boat when we were in Judah. He says you wouldn't believe the fucking amount of certification they have now to be a bus driver. A bit more than fucking. Strip all that into.
That's coming down here now. See Brian, Neven over there, and looking down into Newcastle. Down at Newcastle, and then coming back up again over to the right is the highest place in Northern Ireland, which is Slieve Donard, and that's where we're going next. Bye, see. Top of Slieve Donard, looking over where we came from. Here's some of the other walkers at the top.
Some pack which is little pen cushion, and it has got no initiative whatsoever. And isn't it last week? How many people are working there?
Hi. Press the red button.
We're going.
Right.
Hi, this is Mr. Burnside here at the top of Donard on the Holy Grail out of Mourne Mountains. This is a shot for the ladies.
What?
As you can see, Bernie's standing here in the foreground of the Irish Sea, all the mountains. Hey, it's awesome.
Bring it around nice and slowly, Neven. Pan it really slowly. That's it. Part of the Mournes.
It's safe to go on now, isn't it?
Safe to go.
now on the brandy pad, just below the castles above us. And down below it stretches the whole of the Annalong Valley, reaching down to Annalong Valley. With Binion in the background. Well, we've now come along most of the brandy pad. We've now reached the Silent Valley down below us. You'll see Ben Crom Reservoir. Then if you look further up to your right, you'll see the and everybody's doing well.
Alright.
Well, how's it going now,
Oh,
Colin?
I'm absolutely shattered.
Right, what about the legs?
Well, what I had to do is I had to run. These guys are walking so fast. I was getting further and further behind.
Right.
So if it was somewhere where it was smooth, I had to run a wee bit to try
Right.
and catch up. But I was able to make it, you know. So,
You've done a good job anyway. We've been another 3 or 4k, and we'll be
That's it.
back down the car and that's it.
that's
So,
it.
what about you, Neven, sir? How are you going?
Not too bad. I wouldn't like to land out for too long before stuff.